Good evening, everyone. Well, I just wanted to add this kind of addendum to this last video I made, well, a couple videos ago, about that show called Brain Games. I wanted to add that nothing is as it seems, We only see three-dimensional picture of things because our eyes are spaced far enough apart to where our brain can piece together that information. And I guess what I wanted to say was that the more you learn about these kinds of things, sometimes the better you wish you were better off not knowing. In other words, you start to realize that some of these things are so damn confusing and overwhelming that it's difficult to really even know what is worth knowing or learning about. In other words, people will say that everything's an illusion. The universe is an illusion. It's like, okay, but how does that help us to learn anything about ourselves? But when you start learning that things really are as strange as they seem, that reality really is stranger than fiction, that we couldn't even dream up the craziness that really goes on the quantum level, and we don't understand it, and we probably never will. But, I hate to say that, because then people take that offensively, and they say, oh, we will. So maybe we will. I don't know. I try to keep an open mind, but basically, the fact is, we're living in a big illusion. Everything you see, the colors that you see are based on the way that your eye perceives that color, the reflection off the surface of things. It's complicated, and the more you learn, the more complicated it becomes, and the less you realize you know, and you try to share these things with people, or try to learn more about it, but you can only go so far before you just get stumped by the craziness of it all. I guess the best example to me would be the connections in nature. And when I started researching the connections in nature as far as animal symbiosis, symbiotic relationships between plants, animals, fungi, and insects, and all the way down to the level of bacteria, which we have more bacteria in our body than we do our own cells. And most people don't even know that or really think much of it.